Hello students. So today once again we are going to discuss the second part of the sectors of Indian economy. In the last class we have already discussed about classification of Indian economy and we have already studied that there are three sectors. The first one was your primary sector, the second one was your secondary sector and the third one was your tertiary sector. Today in this video we are going to talk about classification on the basis of operations. On the basis of operations. Now, when we are talking about classification of the sectors of Indian economy on the basis of operations, it can be classified under two heads. What are those two heads, students? The first one is your organized sector. The first one is your organized sector. What is the second one? The second one is your unorganized sector. The second one is your unorganized sector. Okay. Now we shall have a meaning of these two different types of sectors. We shall discuss one by one. So what is the meaning of organized sector? First of all, we are going to discuss about organized sector. See, when we are talking about organized sector, okay, as the name implies, basically in this type of sector what happens that everything is properly regulated. All the rules and regulations are properly followed. Okay, if you take the example of a person, let's say there is a person Mr. A and he is working in a bank. Okay, he is a banker. Let's say he is employed in SBI, State Bank of India. Okay. Now, talking about Mr. A, he is getting all the facilities, he is getting all the things which should be given to a person in a good form of employment. Okay, he has got all the facilities, he is getting paid leaves also, he is getting sick leaves also, different type of facilities are available and everything is properly managed. Okay, so basically when we are talking about organized sector, we can say that organized sector is characterized by better payment prospects. Okay, it means that the salary is good. Okay, job security, etc. Okay, so when we are talking about organized sector, the biggest benefit or the advantage is that there is job security. When you are employed in the organized sector, you get good payment. Okay, such kind of things are available in organized sector. But when you talk about unorganized sector, what happens that it is totally opposite of the organized sector. Okay, here there is no job security. If you take the example of day laborers, what kind of job security is there? Is there any security? No, not at all. So we can say that unorganized sector is characterized by poor wages, okay, lack of job security, no social recognition, etc. no social recognition, etc. Okay, so in short, we have understood that what is the difference between organized and unorganized sector. We say that on the basis of operations, it can be classified under two heads. First one is your organized sector, then unorganized sector. What is the meaning of organized sector? Basically, that sector which is characterized by better payment prospect, job security, social recognition, etc. While we are talking about unorganized sector, we say that it is characterized by poor wages, lack of job security, etc. Okay, student. So in the upcoming video, we shall take some examples on this and we shall go for the classification on the basis of ownership. Thank you, students.